Video 2.2 The Azure Global Infrastructure. In this video, we will cover the following topics: the Azure Global Infrastructure, geographies, Azure regions and availability zones, Azure paired regions, region types, special regions, and availability sets. We have learned that the Azure cloud contains many data centers all over the world. But where are all these data centers and how are they located to provide high availability, reduced latency, disaster recovery, and resilience? To answer these questions, we have to understand the global infrastructure of Azure. By infrastructure, we mean here the basic physical and organizational structures and facilities of the Azure cloud. Here, the structures and facilities required for Azure are data centers. So, the Azure Global Infrastructure is all about the data centers which are located all around the world. Azure has divided the global infrastructure into different parts. Let us discuss them one by one. People all across the world use Azure services. The world is divided into continents. Similarly, Azure has divided the globe into geographies. An Azure geography is a discrete market, typically containing two or more regions that preserve data residency and compliance boundaries. Data residency means to store sensitive information within a physical location and process the data using specific laws and rules. This helps organizations in securing their customers' data. Azure's compliance and data residency policies are well documented and transparent. The compliance is like a rule book that Azure abides by, and you can be rest assured about Azure's commitment to data residency and compliance standards. The Azure geographies are America, Europe, Asia Pacific, the Middle East, and Africa. Geographies are further divided into regions. A region is a geographical location that contains a set of data centers. These data centers within a region are located nearby and they are connected through a low latency network. Azure has 53 regions around the world, with plans announced for 8 additional regions. The blue circles indicate available regions. Dotted circle indicates announced regions. You can also select geography from the drop-down box to know the nearby Azure regions. Remember that all the Azure services won't be available in every region. Here is something important to know. Most of the Azure services are deployed regionally. Therefore, you need to select an Azure region before using your service. Regions contain availability zones, also known as AZ. Data centers are present in an availability zone. Each availability zone has a maximum of 3 data centers. The data centers are in separate buildings, but they are connected through a low latency link. Each data center has a different power source and network switch, so that even if one data center fails, the remaining can function normally. But what if a complete region stops functioning? Your customers won't be happy because of the latency and service disruption faced by your organization. What will you do now? Don't worry. Azure has paired regions, where each region is paired with some other region in the same geography, which is 300 miles away except Brazil, which is paired with a region outside its geography. The region pair is a replica of an Azure region to which it is paired. So even if unfortunately there is a power shutdown in multiple regions, at least one region in the region pair is prioritized for recovery so that your application will be up and running. There are other types of regions like the recommended region and alternate or other region. A recommended region contains a wide range of Azure services, and availability zones will be supported now or in the later days. An alternate region is a region present along with a recommended region within the data residency boundary. With alternate regions, latency can be reduced, and also this region acts as a secondary region for disaster recovery. Alternate regions do not support availability zones. These are designated within the Azure portal as Other. Azure has special regions to meet compliance or legal purposes. The difference between geography and special regions is that special regions are dedicated to government organizations and their partners. To restrict access to these regions by other organizations, Azure uses a method called whitelisting. Special regions of Azure are US Government Virginia and US Government Iowa, China East and China North, Germany Central and Germany Northeast. The data centers in Azure need to check their physical servers' health so that they can ensure everything is good. But what if you have deployed service in the region where the data center is present? And also, what if there is a power outage in a data center? Your application will not work correctly because the services being used for the application are deployed in a region's data center where Azure performs health checks or due to power shutdown. To prevent this, Azure has availability sets. Availability sets contain fault domain FD and update domain UD. The data center has racks of servers. Each rack of servers is named fault domain and will use a separate power source and network switches. Suppose you have deployed two VMs for your application. If both of them are deployed in the same rack of servers in FD0, the switch failure or power failure may stop your app from running. But if the VMs are deployed in two FDs, that is in FD0, FD1, then even if one rack of servers fails, the other one will be up and running. Azure might need to update the underlying hardware or software. Update domain ensures that your resources do not go offline. Let me take an example. Consider that you have deployed 6 VMs for your application. When there is an update or a security patch, all the 6 VMs will be undergoing updates, and your application would not be available if there is a single update domain or no update domain. But if the 6 VMs are deployed in 3 update domains, then 2 of the VMs of your application will update at a time and the remaining will be running. So, your application will be available. Summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics: the Azure Global Infrastructure, geographies, Azure regions and availability zones, Azure paired regions, region types, special regions and availability sets. In the next video, we will take a look at the ways to access Azure Cloud.